Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting adventure. Today, I'm taking you to a hidden gem in the Philippines, Iligan City. Known as the City of Majestic Waterfalls, Iligan has more than 20 waterfalls, each with its unique charm. So grab your backpack and let's explore. First stop, Maria Cristina Falls, often dubbed as the Twin Falls. This magnificent 320-foot waterfall is a sight to behold. It's not just a tourist spot, but also a vital source of hydroelectric power for the region. The power and beauty of Maria Cristina Falls will leave you speechless. Next up, Tinago Falls. Tinago means hidden in Filipino, and this waterfall stays true to its name. After a steep descent of around 500 steps, you'll find yourself in a breathtaking paradise. The crystal clear waters are perfect for a refreshing swim or a thrilling raft ride. Trust me, the journey is worth it. Now let's head to the majestic Nimbalot Falls. This lesser-known gem is surrounded by lush greenery and offers a serene environment perfect for relaxation. It's a great spot for a picnic, so don't forget to pack some snacks. But Iligan City isn't just about waterfalls. Let's take a detour to the Timoga Springs. These natural spring pools are a favorite among locals and tourists alike. The cool, refreshing water is perfect for a relaxing dip, especially on a hot day. Feeling adventurous, why not hike up to Mount Agad-Agad? Standing at 1,600 feet, it's the highest peak in Iligan City. The trail is moderately challenging, but the panoramic views from the top are absolutely rewarding. For history buffs, a visit to the Anahaw Amphitheatre is a must. This massive open-air theatre is an iconic landmark in Iligan City. It's a place where culture and history come alive, often hosting local performances and events. Plus, it offers a fantastic view of the city. Hungry after all that exploring? Head over to the Iligan City Night Market. It's a bustling hub of delicious street food, local delicacies, and vibrant crafts. Try the local pastil, a must-try rice dish wrapped in banana leaves. As the day winds down, visit Paseo de Santiago. This seaside park offers a perfect spot to relax and watch the sunset. The cool breeze and scenic views create an ideal end to a day full of adventures. Iligan City is truly a treasure trove of natural beauty, rich culture and warm hospitality. Whether you're chasing waterfalls, hiking mountains, or indulging in local cuisine, there's something for everyone here. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and discover the magic of Iligan City. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.